Hi everyone. So in this video we will talk about delete operation. Okay. So as I show you insert and update in prior video, in this video we will talk about delete. So to delete, what we have to do, we have to do the repeat same steps. Like you have to open the table, you have to right click on the table, then script table as delete to. Okay. Now you can see it is creating one delete statement for you. Delete from this table and you have to give the where condition only. Now I will copy paste this. I again go back to the store procedure, alter store procedure. I have the delete segment here. I will update the query here. Now what will be my condition? My condition will be the document ID. I will simply give the document ID. Okay, and that will be my condition. Okay, so this is a small change. Now my change is done. Now my query is also ready with alter. So let me execute this query. This time I am trying to execute using right click on the screen and execute. You can see command completed successfully. Okay, now let me show you. I had two data, document 1 and document 2. Now I want to delete one data. Then what will be my change in this? Yeah, I have to just give a delete statement. Action type delete. And which document I want to delete? Suppose I want to delete document ID 1. Means the first document, the stage doc, I want to delete. Then what I have to do is I have to just execute this. Whatever this parameter is, can be value, valid value, not valid value, anything. But you have to supply some value. So you can give some blank value as well. When you are doing something operation where no value is required, from input you have to give a blank value. Okay, that is also fine, because this value will not be considered. Whatever value we are giving, this is not required. Only considerable value is what? Only the document ID. Okay, so I'm just executing. It is executed, and I hope the data has been deleted. Now execute this select query. You can see this has been deleted. Now you want to again do a insertion. Okay, insert, just you have to change the action type. Now in this scenario, for insert, document ID is not required. It is irrelevant because document ID will be created automatically. So whatever ID you are giving, that is not a matter. Okay, you can by default best practice keep a 0, but if you are giving any ID by any chance, by mistake, it will not impact, because for insert, document ID will be created. Okay, now for this one I am giving, suppose note D. Suppose I'm typing this name, doc link, something, anything you can give, like test doc1.txt. Okay, now I am executing, so it will create one new data into the table. It has been completed. Now let me run the select query again. You can see another document has been created. This is how we can use the store procedure. Now in the next video I will show you about the returning, because I am executing. Whenever I am executing, it is not returning anything. So I will change few more things in the store procedure, and it will return you the data after the action as well. Okay, so thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Well, if you have any doubt, any query about this video or any technical topics, you can let me know in the comment section. And this is my LinkedIn profile. You can connect with me in the LinkedIn. I basically use this tech stack. Okay, Java, Spring Boot, Angular, Node, Python, MongoDB, PostgreSQL, Influx. I use AWS and Azure Cloud. I have little bit knowledge of Linux, shell scripting, C Sharp, MS SQL, Oracle. Okay, So yeah, keep in touch and let me know if you have any doubt in comments. Thank you.